Good morning guys, in front of me is Honor 70 Lite and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select biometrics and password and click on fingerprint ID. So at first you have to set some lock screen, that would be the backup to your fingerprint, so once you cannot use your fingerprint, this one is like the one and only alternative. Okay, so let me enter it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now mark unlock device. So as you can see, your fingerprint sensor is located over here on your power button, so keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Tap on OK. And that's it, that will be all from now on. You can unlock your phone with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.